So your friend has decided to embrace wig life. She doesn't look the same to you. Not every single time. She's happy. She smiles. What do you say? What do you say when her hair goes from short to long, from red to brown to blonde? You know what you say? You say, you look beautiful today. You say, I love that style on you. Or you say, I love that color. It's beautiful. Brings out your eyes. What you avoid saying is, I like that wig on you. Which wig is that? In life, I think the biggest lesson I've learned is that people's business is theirs to share, not ours. So if somebody wants you to know or wants it to be broadcast that they're wearing a wig, they'll tell everybody. But I think to be respectful and embrace your friends who wear wigs, and some wear wigs and you don't even know it, just be kind. I think kindness goes a long way. So just remember, you look beautiful.